Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add second email address on your Facebook in Facebook Lite app. So you can see this is the Facebook Lite app interface. So you need to click here three line top right corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and then here you can see the main option, but under main option you will see settings and privacy. So simply click on settings and again click the first option, personal and account information. So this one, and here you will get three or four options. So simply click the second option, email address. Once you click email address, then here we'll see the option add email address. Okay, simply click on add email address. But now you can give an email address here. So simply click on the inbox, sorry, simply click on the box, and once you input your email address, second email address, then simply click add email. Once you click add email, then they send you OTP code. You have to copy that OTP code and paste it here, then your second email will be successfully added here. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.